Let's talk about the Chef Power Cookware Set. This is a 19-piece set that I am absolutely loving. First of all, the aesthetic design and color of these is absolutely beautiful. If you want a set that's going to be attractive in your kitchen, what I really love about the set is that they are so easy to clean and cook with. They're nonstick. If you seriously, right when I start talking, I can just do a voiceover. Anything you're going to cook in here is not going to stick. It's going to be super easy to clean. Everything just wipes out so easily. It's no more of that like letting it soak type thing. You don't need to let it soak in here because you just take the sponge and everything just wipes so clean. The other thing about this set is the removable, detachable, whatever you want to call it, handle. You're just going to slide the handle, push the button, and it pops on and off. So you can put it in the dishwasher easily or in the oven. Just take the handle off, pop the handle right back on. Just like that. So the set comes with 2 handles. And then you also get the utensils that come with it, the tongs, the spoon, and the spatula, as well as the protector pieces. I don't know what these are actually called, but if they make it so that you can stack the set like this and keep it protected without it being scratched or anything like that. You're not going to want to use any metal on these. It'll scratch them up. And the whole purpose of them is not to be scratched so that the food doesn't stick, so that they wipe out easily. The other thing is the lids. They're like flat lids. They're not domed like most other lids. So let me show you when I put this on and put the handle on. The lid is flat so that if you're putting it in the dishwasher, it stores easily, or it fits easy in the dishwasher, as well as storing it under your cabinets. It's going to take up less space because it's domed. It's going to be easier to store. And they have a little notch right there so that they fit perfectly over your handle. And the lids are also interchangeable. So the lids fit the different sizes. You can move it from one to the other and they will fit. So I absolutely love this set. It's very affordable for what you're getting. Such a nice, high quality, high end set of